Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. Guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get sports news, highlights, replays, talk shows, and even some live content on any Amazon Firestick or Fire TV device for free. Now guys, in this example, I am using an Amazon Firestick 4K Max, but this will work on any variation of the Amazon Firestick or Fire TV device. So guys, the first thing I would do before I show you how to access this application is I would check to make sure that your Fire Stick has one of the most recent updates. So to check this, hover over the settings icon, click My Fire TV, click About, and then click Check for Update. As you'll see, mine says last checked Sunday, August 27th. So by looking at this, I am pretty confident that my device has one of the latest updates, but I'm going to go ahead and click this anyways just to see what happens. And as you'll see, it says your Fire TV is up to date. So once you have a later version of Fire OS 7, you should be good to go. So guys, now from the home screen of our Fire Stick or Fire TV device, hover over this icon called Free on the home screen. And if you scroll down here, not only will you see all sorts of content that you can get for free, but guys, you should see an application here called Fire TV Channels. And if you don't see this for some reason as you scroll through here, you can also hold down the home button on your remote, click Apps, and then you should be able to see it through here in your Apps and Channels list. You'll see there is a dedicated sports highlights channel, and there are other channels such as news, food and cooking, viral videos, gaming, trending trailers, and just various other categories that Amazon provides. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and click the Fire TV Channels app, and then just give it a few seconds here to boot up. And once you are on the Fire TV Channels app, simply click the left button on your remote and you'll see all the different categories here. Click Sports. And then within Sports, you can either scroll around here and look for what's trending, different highlights, or you can also scroll down and find your favorite category, whether it's news and talk, baseball, football, basketball, and other sports. So if I click More Sports, I'm actually curious to see what this all offers here. We have things from college in the Pac-12. We have women's soccer, ACC, NASCAR, documentaries, MMA, and just several other categories here. So if I click featured, one great option here is there is some live content. You'll see CBS Sports HQ has a live option. So if I scroll down, there's this little subcategory here called Sports On Now. And you'll see you can get live content through Stadium, PGA Tour, CBS Sports, USA Today Sports, Sports Talk, Fubo Sports, Pickleball, Glory Prelims, and just some other great content here that is all completely free on Fire TV devices. So again, guys, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. I appreciate you watching this quick video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I look forward to releasing more content like this in the near future.